So we just bought this from Petco, and we bought the food, and we bought this toy, and we bought this little branch for them to stand on, and this millet spray, and now we're gonna go get to the birds. Oh, and we got this treat stick, crispy honey flavor treat stick. So we're here at Bracken's Bird Farms, and we're gonna be getting a bird.
So scary.
No?
So we got our two birds. They're parakeets, and we got the cage. We got a different cage because we found out the other one was a little bit smaller. So, yeah.
Right here, and then you open the box like that. And I'll give it a tap on the back. Little birdie. Oh, he's scared. Look, oh, little birdie, it's your home. See, that's food. See? Go. Go. See? Oh, he's so cute. Oh. Bluey. Let's eat this bird.
Okay, so here are our birds, and I'm gonna put in the food.